Downloading account statements from US Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to access your statements easily. Step 1. Log into online banking. Before changing your settings, use the SROC link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account statements. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab on the main menu. Click on it to view your account details, then select the specific account for which you want to download statements. Step 3. Select Statement Options. After selecting your account, look for the Statements or Documents section. Click on this option to see a list of available statements for your account. Step 4. Choose the statement period. Browse through the list of statements and select the desired time period. You may have options for monthly, quarterly, or annual statements depending on your account type. Step 5. Download the statement. Once you have selected the statement you want, click on the Download button. Choose your preferred file format such as PDF and save the statement to your device. By following these steps, you can easily download your account statements from US Bank. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.